我这会漏。
包完之后再加一个叶子是最好的。
I tried to make it big.
I thought you were talking about the rice.
It's interesting, quite easy. I've been living in China for 7 years, so it's my 7th time I'm doing it.
I'm in China more than 3 years and have never participated in such event, so it's very funny. It's not that difficult. I think 跟饺子差不多。
I tried the sweet one with the red beans. It's very sticky with rice, but it tastes really good. I know about it because we eat a lot of rice back in my town.
It's good to learn about Chinese culture, and I think by doing it is the best way. I think it has a long history, which makes it really special.
是他。